spag. I like always eat. That's all my need.
Oh, great.
Hi
Hi guys! Welcome back again to our channel. So for today's, we are going to Mcdo. We'll try the drive-thru.
Yeah. Hi, little Nico.
Cheeseburger.
What juice do you drink? Ano juice mo drink?
What will you choose drink?
Ano juice? Coke and I'll choose water.
Water. You want the orange juice of the McDonald's?
Yeah,
Meron pa ba
always.
ngayon nun? Yung parang
And
And Happy Meal and spag.
what? Happy Meal?
ano ulit?
Happy Meal and spag. I like always eat. That's all my need.
Oh, great.
How about Daddy?
He needs Coke.
He needs Coke and
And then he needs spag.
Would you like to add?
Hindi na.
Then, tapos gusto nila ng burger. Yan. Coke and burger. Gusto ni Daddy dalawa.
and fries.
Yan, fries too.
How about Tito Nika?
Ano gusto mo dinner? What did you like dinner? Ano gusto mo dinner? Kay Tito Nico, ano gusto mo food?
Ang gusto kong food. Gusto ko
Yes?
ng pizza.
Pizza. Ooh, you'd like a pizza.
Kita.
Cheeseburger meal.
I'm going to see how many days.
Cheeseburger meal.
Mommy,
Anong ang soft drink?
no fries.
You want fries?
Yes,
Dalawang
fries.
cheeseburger meal, isang
Fries.
Coke.
No fries.
Don't
Oo.
No fries. No fries.
Chicken spaghetti. Isang chicken spaghetti meal.
May ano ba sila, Toy?
Ha?
May
Happy
toy.
meal.
Happy Meal.
Toy.
Ano ba kayong Happy meal?
Yes, po.
Happy meal?
Ayun, isang Happy Meal din sa chicken and spag.
Ano na pala yung chicken spaghetti na lang? Happy meal. Happy meal.
Tatry ko yun, sir. Bakit sila sa makapagkakami?
Yung spaghetti na lang.
Yung spaghetti na lang pala. So,
Isang toy lang.
okay.
Ah.
So, isang ano? Yung,
Chicken na lang pala, Nick. Chicken. Sorry.
Okay gawa yung happy meal chicken.
Yung price orange.
Fries and orange.
Ah.
Sige. Tapos ano sa'yo?
Sige, cheeseburger na din sa.
Cheeseburger na. Anong soft drinks mo?
Cheeseburger.
Yes, Coke. Zero.
Pizza.
Pay here.
We are here.
Please wear mask. This is a no-touch drive-thru. So, doon nila lalagay yung cash.
Yeah.
Thank you. No. Thank you. And then,
We need to get the food.
we need to get the food after we pay.
We pay some money.
We pay some money and then
And then we
this is
eat
the
it.
we eat and there will we pick up for a no-touch drive-thru transaction. What toy do you like? Aina, what toy?
Ano gusto mong toy?
I like bear.
The bear one.
The bear one.
Where's number? Number 3?
Sa lahat. Anong number? Ayun.
It's the number 4. You want 1, 2, 3, 4. You choose number.
I'll choose with the skateboard.
The skateboard.
Yeah, I like it.
Yes. Thank you.
Skateboard. Kasi for skateboard. Kasi skateboard get the
And there's our food. Thank you.
thanks. For you, Daddy.
Yeah, hey, there's a Happy Meal. Get it here. Aina, get your Happy Meal. Ayan.
Okay na.
Thank you. Oh, there's your Happy Meal.
Yay! Can you open it, Mommy?
Okay, open it.
Yeah, to open it.
Open your Happy Meal.
Mommy, it's hard. I want to open it.
What's that?
That's my skateboard.
What Happy Meal is that? Did you choice
I chose a skateboard.
skateboard? Skateboard of. Is it a Care Bear?
Yeah, a Care Bear.
Here.
And then you need to put it in extraction. We need to put it over the skateboard right there with the hole. And let's open it. Mom, can you open it for open it now. Then it's
What's that? It's
that's my Care Bear.
the way bears.
Yeah, that's the 6. That's the 5.
Yeah.
Just
Yes.
Makita lang kita, ko'y nabalik.
Makita lang kita, may ngiti sa mata. Makitang okay ka. Uy.
Ako ay okay na. Makita
Happy Meal toy. My order is bigat. Mommy, it's heavy. This is my full rubber book. Open me open the book. What's on that? Here's my fries, and then I'll show you food, burger size. Have to get back this, and then that's for you. Also, that's for you. And just a cheeseburger for you. And for you, just eat it right to your tongue. Dad, this is this burger. That you like.
Thank you. Thank you, Aina.
And then you need yours. You need to get more burger inside. There's more burger.
May ngiti sa mata.
That's for you. Do you
Yummy,
like it,
yummy.
Daddy?
Burger. Yum.
Did you like it, Daddy?
Yes.
Ooh, you with ketchup?
Okay na. With ketchup. Okay na siya. With ketchup is okay.
Good.
Good.
Oh no.
Di pa nung matakoy?
Mommy, guys.
Ano mo na ba yan? Favorite ko yan.
Thanks for watching to my videos. Please subscribe to my McDonald's button